Greetings, powerhouses, and welcome. All right, let's get into it. Today's principle is how to use frustration. Think about your average day. For most entrepreneurs, for most people, we experience points where we feel frustrated, annoyed, because you feel like something is not going the way you want it to or the way you think it should. And for a lot of people, that hiccup or that speed bump will totally throw off their whole day. But here's the thing, so much of the reason why that happens is because most people just don't use it the right way. Remember, a successful person accepts and utilizes what is. So not only do you want to accept what is happening, because when you don't accept it, you are actually resisting it and you're fighting it. And that creates more tension, more upset, and it doesn't allow you to get the lesson in it. But when you utilize it and you make up your mind that you're going to actually take this situation and you're going to flip it on its head and you're going to use it to actually move you forward. When you start to look at your challenges as a golden opportunity, then suddenly, instead of being frustrated, you're actually starting to get excited. Suddenly, instead of feeling like, oh, my day is ruined and it just throws you totally off kilter, now you're excited about the opportunity because you know you're about to get the juice. You know the universe is about to give you secrets of success that you're going to take and use to go to the next level. Now, how do you do this? Well, first off, when you get challenged, pause for a second and think about, okay, what's going on here and what do I want instead of this? Why do I want that? And what do I need to do to create it? Those three questions will always take you home. It may take a second for you to actually answer, but we get what we focus on. So if you focus on, okay, what do I want? Why do I want it? And how do I create it? Then the answers will come to you, okay? Now, I have to say, and as always, if you're not already working with one of our great coaches, then reach out to us at www.interaccess.net so you can schedule a complimentary wish fulfilled coaching session and see if working with one of our world-class coaches can help you to put this into play even more effectively. But in the meantime, on your own, from now on, anytime you get frustrated, think about the gift in that situation. Think about how can you use this to forward your intentions. Think about how can you use this situation, no matter how big or small, to not only elevate the quality of your day, but your life and all your goals. If you start doing that and start living from a place that you expect the answers to come and to have breakthroughs every time you get challenged, it'll start to become a game that you'll love and that you'll have so much more success with. So on behalf of myself, the Genie, and the entire Interaccess team, much love, many blessings, peace. Use your frustration instead of dreading it, and then watch how the miracles begin to unfold. And we'll talk to you soon.